Shag haircut.
Hi Sherry, it's Kimmy. So tell me, how did you wind up coming here?
I saw you online. I was looking for someone who knew how to do layers and shape hair, and I couldn't wait to come here and have a transformation, and I love it.
So what were the issues that you had before that people couldn't do?
It was just hanging, and the layers were either too long or too straight across and no movement, and just wasn't angled properly, and it just felt too heavy on the bottom and just hung and wouldn't curl. And so, yeah, it's a big difference because it flows.
It's the flow, right?
It feels better. It flows. It doesn't look choppy.
And you have fine hair, right?
Yeah, and it makes it look thicker even though there's layers and it's thin hair, but the layers make it just look like it has more movement and fuller and just feels better and looks better all around. So thrilled that we came here.
Thank you so much for coming.